Are you tired of battling with your flossing routine, struggling to reach those hard-to-get spots, or perhaps you're on the hunt for something more portable for your travels? Let's talk about a solution that could completely change your dental hygiene game. Today, we're diving into the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser. This device promises not only to give you cleaner teeth and gums, but also to make flossing easier, quicker, and more efficient. I'm going to break down how it works, whether it's worth your time and money, and why so many dental professionals recommend it. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced is designed with convenience in mind. This sleek handheld device is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and quiet in operation, making it a joy to use, especially if you've ever struggled with traditional floss or bulky electric models. One of the standout features is its rechargeable battery, which charges fully in about 4 hours via a magnetic USB charger, perfect for those of us who are always on the go. And when it's time to recharge, you'll see the LED indicator light up, keeping you in the loop. Plus, with a 7/0 removable water reservoir that's dishwasher safe, cleanup is a breeze. Now, what I love about this water flosser is how easy it is to use, particularly when you're on the move. The Cordless Advanced is portable and comes with a microfiber travel bag, a tip storage case, and even a water plug for convenience while traveling. With global voltage compatibility, this device is a must-have for anyone who travels internationally, meaning you can take it with you wherever you go without worrying about compatibility issues. When it comes to performance, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced excels with its 3 pressure settings, 45 to 75 psi, providing a customizable experience based on your personal needs. Whether you have sensitive gums, braces, or implants, this flosser offers something for everyone. The 360-degree tip rotation also allows you to target difficult spots with precision, making flossing under braces or around implants a lot easier. And with a floss time of 45 seconds, it's quick and efficient, just what we need in today's fast-paced world. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say, it lives up to its promises. My gums feel cleaner, and I've noticed a reduction in plaque buildup. The device is gentle yet effective, and the design makes it super easy to navigate all areas of my mouth. The only downside? The 7/0 reservoir means you might need to refill it during longer flossing sessions. But honestly, that's a minor inconvenience given all the benefits this flosser brings to the table. Let's talk about value. At its price point, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced is certainly an investment, but if you compare it to other high-end flossers or even regular manual flossing, it's actually very reasonable. The performance and convenience it provides make it well worth the investment for anyone serious about improving their oral hygiene. When comparing this to other similar products on the market, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced stands out because of its proven clinical effectiveness. With 9 out of 10 dental professionals recommending the Waterpik brand, it's no surprise this water flosser earned the American Dental Association ADA seal of acceptance. If you're looking for a trusted, dentist-approved device, you can't go wrong with this one. Now, while the product is excellent, it's important to note the build quality. The flosser feels sturdy in hand, but it's still lightweight, making it perfect for both at-home use and travel. The water reservoir is removable for easy refills, and the magnetic charger is a thoughtful touch for easy use and storage. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, there are some less expensive options that offer basic water flossing, but I'd argue that you get what you pay for. While these alternatives may be effective, they likely won't offer the same level of customization, ease of use, or dentist-backed effectiveness that the Waterpik provides. So, is the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser worth it? Absolutely, especially if you're someone who values convenience and efficiency. This device is ideal for anyone looking to improve their oral care routine, whether you have braces, implants, or simply want a faster, more effective way to clean your teeth. I highly recommend this for those who are committed to maintaining great oral health and need a reliable, travel-friendly solution. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review. If you're interested in purchasing the Waterpik Cordless Advanced, check out the link in the comments below. And if you've used it, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment to let me know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.